Hello everybody, I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this video we are going to talk about the rationalization of denominator. So that is one of the important things in mathematics of high school, and after that as well it is going to be used many a times. So let's start with it. So basically more than one category of thing is there in rationalization of denominator. For example, I am taking a small question. Suppose I have got 6 upon root 3 and I want to rationalize the denominator over here. So the denominator is an irrational number. We want to make that a rational number. So basically we multiply and divide over here by its rationalizing factor. Rationalization factor or rationalizing factor we write in short as RF. So basically you see, if you have got root 3, you can multiply it by root 3 because root 3 into root 3 is a rational number. That will be 3, which you have studied already. So you see, the same thing you have to do in the numerator as well. So you see, this thing is 6 root 3 divided by root 3 the whole square. So that thing is 6 root 3 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6, that is equal to 2 root 3. So you see, after rationalizing the denominator over here, we are getting 2 root 3, right? Now basically, one thing which you must know is there are infinite number of rationalizing factors of an irrational number. Root 3 is not the only one rationalizing factor of root 3. There can be other rationalizing factors as well. For example, if you will take 5 root 3, 5 root 3 multiplied by root 3 is what? That is a rational number. So in that manner, there are infinite rationalizing factors of an irrational number. Now this is not the only thing possible. Let's see the other category of questions which are there. For example, if suppose somebody is giving you to simplify this thing. So nobody will write, most of the times nobody is going to write in the question that you have to rationalize the denominator. You have to understand from the question itself that you have to rationalize the denominator. I hope you understand that logic. So basically, over here we have to use an identity. It is root 10 minus root 5. Can we multiply and divide by root 10 plus root 5? We can multiply and divide by root 10 plus root 5 over here. So basically you will get 5 into root 10 plus root 5. And in the denominator it is of the form a minus b and a plus b. The denominator is of the form a minus b, a plus b. So that will be a square minus b square. Root 10 square minus root 5 square over here. So that is 5 into root 10 plus root 5 over here, and in the denominator root 10 square is 10 and root 5 square is 5. Now 10 minus 5 is what? 5. This will be cancelled out. So that is nothing but root 10 plus root 5. So you see over here in this manner, when two terms are there in the denominator, you can use a plus b and a minus b identity, a plus b into a minus b identity, so as to rationalize the denominator. Let us do some questions on the basis of this thing. So suppose you have got this question over here. A is given to be 1 plus root 7 and we have to find the value of minus 6 upon a. Now one more thing I would like to say, we can rationalize the denominator when we have got 3 terms as well. That I will discuss in a session. When I am going to take a live session on the basis of that topic, I will discuss those things as well. This is just a basic concept video using which you can start understanding the rationalization of denominator when the denominator is an irrational number. So over here we have to find the value of minus 6 upon a. So let us do that. So that will be minus 6 upon a is 1 plus root 7. So we have to multiply and divide by 1 minus root 7 over here. We have to multiply and divide by 1 minus root 7. So that is equal to minus 6 into 1 minus root 7. Now that is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So what is that equal to? That will be a square minus b square. So 1 square minus root 7 the whole square. So that is equal to minus 6 into 1 minus root 7 divided by 1 minus 7, because root 7 square will be 7 only. So you see this is minus 6, this is also minus 6. So after rationalizing the denominator over here, we are getting 1 minus root 7, and that is the answer over here. So this was a simple example on the basis of this concept. Let us do one or two more questions on the basis of this. So for example, you have been given with this and we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So x is already given in the question. So the only thing which we need to find over here is 1 by x. If we are able to find the value of 1 by x, we can easily do this question. So let us find 1 by x over here, guys. So 1 by x will be 1 upon 9 minus 4 root 5. So obviously if you will put the value like this, it will make it complex. So you just have to rationalize the denominator over here and you can get the answer quickly. So it is 9 minus 4 root 5. So we have to multiply by 9 plus 4 root 5 in the numerator as well as the denominator. 9 plus 4 root 5 over here. Because then only it will be fixed in the form of a plus b and a minus b identity. So let us do that thing. So that is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. And in the denominator, it is a plus b and a minus b. So that will be 9 square minus 4 root 5 the whole square. So that is going to be 9 plus 4 root 5. And in the denominator, that is 81 minus 4 square is 16, root 5 square is 5. So that is 16, 5s are 80. So that is going to be 80 over here. So there is nothing but 1 in the denominator, which is 9 plus 4 root 5. So 1 by x is equal to 9 plus 4 root 5. Now we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. So if you know the value of x and you know the value of 1 by x, you can easily put over there so as to get the value of x plus 1 by x. So what is the value of x plus 1 by x? So x was already given in the question, that was 9 minus 4 root 5. And 1 by x we already have got, that is 9 plus 4 root 5. So you see this will be cancelled out, that is equal to 18. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 18. In the same manner, we can find the value of x minus 1 by x. We can find the value of x minus 1 by x. So x over here is equal to what? 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 1 by x over here is what? 9 plus 4 root 5. So let's simplify that thing. 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5. So that will be cancelled over here. That is nothing but minus 8 root 5. Minus 8 root 5. So that was again one of the very common examples in which you have to rationalize the denominator so as to get the answer. There are various questions after this which you can practice, and obviously when we will conduct the live session on the basis of this topic, we are going to do many more twisted questions as well. So that's all we needed to do in this thing on rationalization of denominator. We'll meet in the next concept video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Infinity Learn 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Take care, everybody.